guys, it's a sad day, but today's the day we let go of the GTR. Love this car, but got some big plans coming up, and just time to level up in a sense. But she's got to go. Wish I could keep it, but got to do some things. Like I said, big things coming, so we always level up here. Like I said, it's a sad day. The GTR is gone. She's off to a new owner, but you won't believe who it's going to. I'll show you here in a little bit, but yeah, she's gone. It's a good car to me. Always took care of me, got me wherever I needed to go. But yeah, it's gone just like that. All right, so just like I told you, the car's going to someone special. Got Freshkicks here. No, I'm just kidding. There's Amin. He's gonna create an Instagram and stuff, so you guys can follow the car and the build. And like I told him, I always like keeping up with my old cars, and I'm good friends with like my old guys that I've sold their cars to. So we'll ask him a few questions on how he feels, and then we'll go from there. All right, so Amin, like, what are your thoughts on the car? Like, how does it feel?
The car's beautiful, man.
Thank you. I know.
Man. I love it, man. It's bagged, sick. The wrap is sick. Whoever did it did a great job.
Yep, Detail Squad. I'll link them down below.
I'll definitely be enjoying this one.
Yeah. So, like, has this been a car you wanted for a while and stuff like that? You just keep looking.
GTR's always been my car, man. Definitely.
It definitely hurts the heart getting rid of it, but I know he's gonna take good care of it. And like I said, I'm gonna link his information down below, so you guys can keep up with the build, and I can keep up, and I can keep up with him. If he has any questions for me, he can ask me. But yeah, man, congrats.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate you, brother.
But yeah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. They're not really fine. You just can't get in.
And we say bye-bye.